Okay, so after that mission, we got to orbit, came back home safely. Um, so pretty much the next mission, if we go to mission control, the next big mission we can do, like there's no active mission, the next big mission we can do is explore the moon, right? We're not going to go to the moon yet because it's a bit tricky, alright? Okay, so we have a bit of science going on, we have a bit of money, but we want more than that. We want a bit more technology going on before we're ready to go to the moon, okay? Even the moon only says fly by the moon, right? It's not saying that we have to land on it, it's just fly by and gather scientific data from the moon. So that would be, yeah, flying by and checking the temperature, the pressure, whatnot. We're not quite there yet. So we're going to do a bit of side missions to get a bit of extra cash and a bit of extra science. There's other ways of getting science because, as I mentioned before, if we want science, we don't necessarily have to go that far. We just have to go to different parts of our own planet and gather science from there. You don't get much. You only get like 5 to 10 science each time, but you're looking at possibly 10 different biomes you can collect science from. So if you get a bit of science from every little bit of them, you'll end up doing quite well. So it'll be enough science. So the 61 that I have now will end up being maybe double, I'm guessing. I don't know. But for now, we're going to try a different mission. So let's have a look there. So we've got different missions. All you have to do is look over them. I mentioned in the first video the focused observational surveys requires a plane. Okay, so we're not focusing on that right now. I personally don't focus on it that much because I'm not. Yeah, I don't do much to planes. I prefer the space missions. So we can have a look. So what we've got here: test MK16 parachute and flight over Kerbal. Okay, if we wanted to do that, I clicked accept, I'd get 5,000 instantly. Sorry, 9,000 in cash instantly for taking it. And if I completed the mission, I get 3 science, which is pretty good. I get reputation points, which is good because reputation points will allow me at some point to get better missions. There's other uses for it as well, but I don't necessarily use them, but I will show it at some point. But yeah, so you get science and you get the money. For me to complete that mission, it tells me my requirements. So in this case, I have to use the parachute, test the parachute. So that's either, probably have it in my stage and open it, or a lot of times on a part you can right click or circle or whatever the button is and press the word test and it will use it then. So in this case, it has to be on Kerbal. Okay, I have to be flying. I've been to an altitude of 4,000, 11,000, and a speed of 180 and 290. Now, these missions can be quite difficult because it can be quite annoying when it comes to these numbers. So, like getting right in between these two fields, so it's the height and the speed has to be correct. So a lot of times they're set in such a way that these speeds are or these speeds and altitudes are natural speed and altitude you're going to have when you reach this kind of moment, but sometimes it can be a bit, a bit hard to do. So I try and stay away from them personally, but a lot of times it can be easy enough to do. You might actually get between these numbers accidentally and be happy. But what I'm going to do for now is, I'll get started this one. So test the TT-18A launch stability enhancer. Alright, we're going to want this at some point, so this is pretty cool missions to do anyway. So I'll accept that. I can't do any other one. Something I can do from the... something that's easy. Perform test active part through sequence. No, that's... I want to do something that I can do from the launch site. Make extra easy money. No, I can do that one, okay. Splash down at Kermit, yeah, I can do that. So what I have to do with this one is land in the water somewhere and then test the decoupler. That's easy. It's the TT12 decoupler. Yeah, I'll accept that. So I've got 2 missions now. I'm at the max. But these both missions will give me extra cash and extra science for being a somewhat easy mission. So all I have to do is make sure that I can complete both of them. For this mission, I probably don't even need this rocket, so I'll scrap that one for now. Let's have a look. So missions are test TT decoupler. Note: to perform the test, activate the part through the staging sequence when all test conditions are met. Okay, so it has to be on Kerbin, has to be splashed down for that one. This has to be Kerbin on the launch site. Okay, so I need a command pod to start with. Alright, let's make it a black one. There we go. I don't think I need it, but I'll put it on anyway because safety first. Put parachute on it. So I need some kind of. Let's put the booster on it. Okay, so on launch site and splash. Okay, actually, this could work. Let's do it this way. I could put some sciencey bits on it because I'm going to be landing in the water. Oh, I've got the press mat this time. I'm going to be landing in water, so it's going to be a new body of, or it's a new biome as such. So let me put that on it, put that on it, and this. You're going to notice the way this ship is built. It's going to be heavy on one side, but when I launch out there, it's going to pull me east, and according to this mission, it has to be splashed down, so I have to be in the water. This is going to drag me towards the water side, so I'm happy enough with that. You'll see what I mean in a few moments, I hope. Okay, or maybe not. This might be a massive fail. We'll see in a moment. Okay, so we've got that. Fins are shit that I have, but try that. So splash down and from the launch site. Okay, so what do I need to splash down with? It has to be the DT12 decoupler. So the TT12 decoupler is. Oh, so I already have this thing. Alright, so they want me to use that after I've. Okay. So after I land, I'll decouple that. So that'll complete that part of the mission, and it wants me to use the. Is it the TT18? Yeah, TT18 coupling device. Oh, that's pretty cool. Right, by looking at that, you're just like, what the hell? Why would such a small rocket have such a massive decoupler? Well, what you just do is, oh, my bad. You simply bring the whole thing down to stop it looking as ridiculous. Something like that. I may actually even make it more interesting. Something like that. Just tilt it. So I have nothing to do. That way I can even, instead of Jebediah has experience. I've got other pilots and stuff. Even scientists. Let's put Valentina. Let Valentina Kerbin fly this one. Because this could actually go terribly wrong. Alright, so, okay. Decouple at the same time as I launch the engine. Decouple that, then the parachute. Yeah, that seems about right. Call this Good Luck Valley. Good Luck Valley. There we go. Yeah, that meets all experimental needs. No, I have to make one change because it's more likely that I need the parachute before I have to decouple. It's very likely. Right, okay, so the way I said it is these go off at the same time. That's fine. That will complete the test, I imagine. But this test has to be done splashdown, so I want the parachute to go off first so that I can save my astronaut. I'm not sure if this angle is going to be enough, but we'll give it a go. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Oh, yeah, this could work. Valley's loving it. Look at her face. Jesus, you're a great time. As you can see, parachute cannot open yet. We're way too fast. Oh, didn't mean to spin it around. Okay, and it should work. Holy shit, it seems pretty successful. Parachute. Wow. 14 kilometers, 15 kilometers almost, within less than a minute. 15 kilometers in less than a minute. That's special. It's a crew report. What's that? Above Kerbal water. Happy days. Actually, I want to send that one by antenna. Everyone has to know how happy I am, or Valentina, how happy she is after that. Madness. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Let's get that to the water, speeding up time a bit. And splash. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we had to decouple, wasn't it? That was a part of the mission as well. No? What did I miss? That was one of the contracts. Okay. Okay. Trying it again. Don't know what I did wrong, but apparently I missed something. Hang on, let me check the mission again. So, test. Okay, and test decoupler. So, no, let's do it within. So splashdown. That's exactly. Okay, try it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, look at that speed! Almost 1.5 Mach. That's crazy speed within that short time. In less than. Oh wow. That would hurt. That would hurt. Wait, why did that happen?